So I'm going to show you, this video is to show you how to use Style Secret Detox Facial Mask. So you can see it has not been opened, so I'm going to open it so that I can show you. Sealed. See? Style Secret products are sealed. So I'm just taking it off. Then you open it. Remember, we don't use melter to mix this detox mask. Do not use melter spoon. Use wooden spoon or silicone. That's plastic spoon. So you can see this is the way it's sealed. Very well sealed. I've taken off the first. Then I'm going to take off the sealed. See it? To protect it. Very well sealed. Protect it from splitting. So this is how our detox mask looks. It's powder. So I'm using my mask, my silicone mask application. So I'm going to just take a few. Taking more. Because we are two. I'm making for me, for I myself and my partner in crime here. So I'm taking. So we have maybe like about 2 teaspoons. Cover it properly, and then. So this mask you can use vinegar if you are. If you have acne on your face, you can use vinegar, lemon juice. Then if you have dry skin, you can use milk or rose water. Okay, so here I'm gonna use green tea, my brewed mint and green tea that I showed you earlier, the one I used to aerate my mask. So I'm taking plastic spoon. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon first, then we mix and shake. I don't want it to be too thick anyway. I added about 3 teaspoons. So I'm going to mix and shake. So you can use anything you like to hydrate this mask. I'm using my mint and green tea, the brewed mint and green tea solution. So guys, it's been over 20 minutes. It's more than 20 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes, right? And oh my gosh, I love the fats when you take it off. Woo! So I'm gonna apply the detox mask now. This helps. I love it. Just rub it. Don't forget your neck. Always go down to your neck. Okay, so and here is the detox mask. Can you see? This is the detox mask. So I'm gonna go ahead now and apply it on my face. Start from the forehead. Yo, it's falling off here. I put that on my Okay, I'm done applying it. You can see, so I'm gonna leave it on my skin until it gets dry. Maybe about 15 or 20 minutes or more, depending on how I can tolerate. So leave it on. That's my partner in crime. You can see. Look at my daughter's face. My partner in crime. So I'll be back when I wash it off. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 15 or 20 minutes to dry and draw out all the toxins, all the rubbish and that skin. Okay. Then I will go ahead and wash it off, and I will see you guys when I wash it off. I might see you guys, I might not see you guys, but this is how to apply your mask. Okay, leave it on your skin, do whatever you want to do depending on how you can tolerate it. Then you wash it off and follow up with other skincare routine. Okay, see you guys later.